these wires on the left here go to the solar panels on the roof, which is basically like one individual solar panel that's charging the EcoFlow here times 4. So if I'm getting 100 watts for that, then I'm getting 100 times 4, or 400 watts coming into here, going down to charge the batteries, and then from the batteries coming up to the power inverter and outputting at 220 volts in 2 different outlets with 15 amp breakers on each of them for a maximum of 2000 watts input. And if you pull any more than that through the output, then it beeps at you. But more often than not, what happens is the batteries are dying. And then breakers here to turn off the input through the solar panels in case you ever want to do any work. So this is my one solar panel that's brand new, and on the 29th of December you can see that it's getting full sun. The thing is that the sun is on a shorter circuit, so it's going to go like this, follow my finger, and then set over there instead of coming out on a wider circuit over where my head is right now. So the idea was to have a movable solar panel to maximize on sunset instead of just the ones that are stationary on top of the roof of the tiny home. I also have this main breaker panel where I can disconnect main breakers into the building, and also I can redirect power from a generator or like a long extension cord up through this set of breakers to power everything. So with one of the gas powered generators, I can plug into a couple different things. Now that you've seen kind of how the breakers are set up, if I plug into here, that is just specifically for one outlet in the building where I can charge or power high amperage items that a generator could power. It's kind of like unlimited power. And then I have another one here, and this is specifically for the trailer itself. So if I flip the breakers up there like I described earlier, the whole trailer and all the outlets will be powered from the generator, which would be, I mean, you can overload it, but, and then I have a backup generator there. So again, when you are living off grid, I think it's important to kind of understand redundancies and backups. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk, and I hope that you learned something. I would recommend, if you're going to live off grid, living somewhere where it's really sunny so you can maximize on the drying from Mother Nature. I'm here December 27th, 29th? It's like the 28th or 29th, and we're drying our laundry outside.
I'm off the grid. Got tats on my ribs, tattoos on my ribs. I just had a